Oh my god, the signal. Holy crap.
This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test. Steve Glass here for Ben.
Okay, hold on. Is that the signal or the radio? Because I swear, if that's the radio, oh my gosh, I might actually have a new AMDX radio. We're going to do a signal comparison real quick. I'm just going to see. Because, God, that was clear. Oh, wait, how am I going to do this? Sorry, guys. Okay, I got the CL100, finally on batteries. Let's see. So this is with the Emerson, okay?
Electronics tests and treats for mold and odors while they disinfect.
So it's basically perfect. And now the Sangean. Wow. So the Emerson is a very good AMDX radio. Listen to that.
It's dollar bank home equity loans with a rate of 2.89% APR, fixed for 15 years. With only.
Well, shoot. I mean. So it's the same?
When was the last time you had the opportunity to refinance and lock in a rate as low as 2.89%?
Well, okay. If you guys want to use a CKW2000 for DXing, go for it. It's much better quality than the CL100. So, yeah, try it out.